Hello everybody, and this is my BIT233 assignment. My name is James, and today in BIT233 assignment 2 we are going to take a look at the networking monitor software. So as you can see, we are supposed to download a hypervisor with virtual machines and demonstrate 5 tasks and summarize our findings and make a video about it, and use legally available software. So the software I decided to use is Nagios, and I've installed the agents. So this is how it's done. So as you can see right here, it's the Nagios virtual machine or hypervisor. So, and as you can see here, we can access my Nagios at 192.168.0 and 64. And since I've already logged in, I'm just gonna do that in my Fedora machine. So right here, as you can see, 192.168.0.64. This is where I access my Nagios XI. And right now I'm going to configure so I can do the 5 functions that is in the assignment. So we are going to start monitoring now, and I'm going to choose where is it, NCPA. So I have to insert my IP address. So the IP address is, let me clear this first. ifconfig 192.168.0.67, 192.168.0 and 67. The port, which is default, 5693, and the token is, insert the token and go. Now as you can see, we reached step 2. So at here I can monitor the CPU, which is I'm gonna do CPU. As you can see, it already shows me the current CPU usage. I can also monitor my memory usage, my disk metrics, and right here network interface metrics, and we're just gonna monitor npost 3 and npost 8. And here we can monitor services too. So what you can do is select here and choose any services that you want to monitor. So let's, for example, NCPA listener, which is what we will configure it so the expected status is running. So when it stop, they will the Nagios will tell us about it. And next services, we're just gonna select randomly. And yeah, we are going to select this last one, GSS proxy, and done. And as you can see, the next one, we can also monitor processes. So VirtualBox client, and then we're gonna Firefox, I guess, and probably the firewall. So nothing wrong will come. Firewall, select this process. All right. Plugins, we don't have plugins inserted, so we cannot monitor anything. So we're just gonna continue onward. Next. So at here we can monitor the duration in which it's gonna check. So monitor the host every 5 minutes. We check the when a potential problem is first detected, we can recheck it, and it can send a notification either to your email or or anything you decide. So we're gonna press finish, and we are gonna wait because this monitoring process takes quite a bit of time. But right now I can show you what the agent does when you install it. So as you can see, it is the agent that is NCPA agent that is installed in this VirtualBox. So it can detect the CPU use and the memory used. Pretty handy stuff. So back here, and we're gonna stop recording and wait. So as you can see, the NCPA monitoring wizard has applied the configuration successfully. So we are going to view the status details in 192.168.0.67. So right here, and we still have to wait, but yeah. So basically, host status up, which is right now, this is the host, the only host we have, and the services right now. As you can see, it has to check. So we have to unfortunately wait again. So yeah, we're going to wait again. So as you can see, it's pending, so we have to wait like oh, changed, but the others is pending, so I'll be back. So back it welcome back to the service status. So as you can see, everything has been it is not pending anymore. Everything's either okay or critical or warning. So well, as you can see, because we set the limits, and apparently it's under the limit of the CPU usage, so it displays okay. So oh, and then it suddenly changes, yeah, because it updates every 5 minutes, or because there's problems every 1 minute or so. So if there's any changes, it's gonna display change color and send the warning to the administrator. And as you can see, this usage in this VirtualBox is terrible apparently. And yeah, all the disk usage is, both of this disk usage is bad, 100%. Yeah, basically it can detect the problems, and you can send some technician to fix them. And yep, basically okay means nothing to fix, warning maybe you have to fix it, and critical you have to fix, definitely have to fix. So as you can see, we can monitor also our memory usage. Well, yeah, we're still okay in this part. Our swap usage, but since I think we have enough RAM, so only a bit swap is used. User count, well, it was only me, so there's nothing to worry about. So these are the, I think this is the services, VBox client services. Oh, okay. No, it's, well, it's okay. So I think it was the count, yeah. And this is monitor the internet, so 0 bytes on everything. Okay, so, and then Firefox count for Firefox was 1, so it's okay. And then this one, because it's running or something, it is green because we set it to running just now. And if we go to the next page where processes and services, service status, because it's running, it's okay. And yeah, basically we can detect everything that's wrong. So all the services and all the processes are running because we set everything to running, so everything's a-okay right now. So yeah, that's all. Okay, then we are going to go back home. So we can see the service status, host status, and yep, network outages, but I don't think we have network outages right now. we can see a lot of things like service status, which is basically what I just showed you. Host status, two hosts, because one's local host, which is also this place. We're not gonna bother with local hosts because that's not in the assignment. We can also see the performance graph. So right now we can see the packet loss is 0%, and the round trip max and min is pretty good, I guess. And localhost is not used, that's why there's nothing. So next one, we have maps, we have hypermap. So this is the hypermap, I guess. Basically this is the server that detects and whichever connects, and this can be the hosts. We can also go to the mind map, and this one is to see the every services greens and yellows and reds, I guess. As you can see, localhost is all green because we didn't mess much with localhost. In our 192.168.0.67 there's problems, that's why it displays like this. So you can just quickly see what's which one's wrong, which one's right. And yes, okay, I think that is all from me. Thank you for watching my video. So to summarize the function of NagiOS, you can use it to let's go back to the service status. You can use it to monitor your CPU usage. Now it's critical. You can use it to monitor your disk usage, your memory usage, your swap usage, and your processes, your IP, your internet, I guess, and you can also use it to monitor your services. Yeah, that's all from me, and that's the conclusion. Yep. Thank you for watching this video.